With the rise of the gig economy and remote job, 2024 has brought a new wave of money making apps that are not just convenient but also trustworthy. However, with so many options out there, it can be tough to know which ones are worth your time. That is why I come in. Like, I've done the research, tested these apps, and today I'm bringing you the only best app that you can be earning money from in those 2024. Hi there, welcome back to Afite Digital, where we dive into the best way to boost your income today. I've got something super exciting for you. So I'm going to tell you the most legit apps that you can use to be making money in those 2024. Whether you are looking to make some extra cash on the side of your side also, or you're just looking for a flexible way to work from home, these apps have got you covered. So let's jump in. Please do well to watch this video to the very end, and do not skip any part of this video where I'm going to walk you through various apps in which you are going to make money with in this 2024. Okay, the first app I want to talk about is Tax Rabbit. While I'm talking to you, I will be heading you over to the other side of my screen so that you can also see how this app is, or the site is. Okay, so what you just need to do is just to go ahead and type Tax Rabbit. So when you type, you are just going to go ahead and send it. So after sending it, you have this particular interface. This app has a bit more hand-on, but it offers the opportunity to make some serious cash. TaxRabbit also connects you with people in your area who need your help with tasks, anything from assembling furniture to running errands, or even helping someone move. If you are handy or just have some extra time, TaxRabbit is an awesome way to make money while helping others in your community. Okay, so one of the best thing about this TaxRabbit is that you set your own rate, meaning you can charge whatever you feel like you can charge whatever you feel your time is worth. Okay, so it's a great way to earn some extra cash, especially if you are enjoying staying active and don't mind a bit of physical work. So what you just need to do when you come to the browser, you just click on this taxrabbit.com. When you click that, it will take you to this very particular interface. You can see something like $110 off your first tax. From furniture assembly to home repair, we've got you covered on your own project, whether big or small. So that's not why we came here. So just go ahead and click on that. So as you are seeing it on my screen, this is the dashboard. Book trusted help for home tax. They will now ask you, what do you need help with? Do you need somebody that will clean your house? Do you need somebody that will mop your house? Do you need somebody that will run errand for you? You just go ahead and click here on the type of help that you want and search. Or you can actually find the type of help you want around. You can see cleaning, mounting, moving, outdoor help, home repairs, all of those stuff like that. You choose the one you want, kind of help you want. Okay, let me just type something here and see what is going to come up. So when you type that, you'll be asked to put in your start address, your street address. Okay, you just go ahead and put in your street address and you click on continue. You put your tell us details of your tax options, what are the things you can do, or what kind of like help do you need. Okay, then look at what people are saying about this particular. You can see all this. Mount a TV. This project, you can is they charge you at the rate of $69. Help moving, home apartment cleaning $49. Minor plumbing repairs, electrical help $69. Heavy lifting $61. Okay, then look at the kind of reviews that people are saying about this app. You can see here Elizabeth P say that from this app he got help which is vitally assembled the IK drawer chest for me in less than 30 minutes, and he also assembled a wire shelving unit as well in about 10 minutes. So if you click on there, so the next one I want to talk about is honeygain. All what you just need to be doing on this particular app It's just for you to install this app and be sharing data to big companies for them to be using for their SEO research, their market analysis, and you get paid without having to do anything. Okay, so when you click here, you see earn passive income, 2 times earning on desktop. New user join now and get $2 starter gift. So in the moment you log in there, they are going to give you $2. Okay, just click on get started. So when you click on get started, it will bring you to this particular interface. So when it brought you here, okay, they are giving you get 5 coupon. They are giving you a $2 coupon code applied. Then the email address is you are going to go ahead here and put your email address. You put your password and you click on continue with email, or you can choose to log in directly from your Google. Another app you can be using to make money in this 2024 is Swagbucks. If you haven't heard of it yet, swagbucks is a classic, but it's still one of the best reliable ways to make money online. You can earn points called swagbucks by taking surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and more. Once you have accumulated enough points, you can cash them out via PayPal or grab some gift cards to your favorite stores. It's super user friendly, and the best part is that you can do it all while being watching your favorite shows. Okay, so let's head over to my screen and let me just type in swagbucks. So it will bring you to this interface. Don't click on the first one because they are all sponsored adverts. So you click on where you see this their logo, you click on that. Save money and make money. So member like you have already cashed out. You can see what they are telling you. Join for free. If you have not signed in, you can go ahead and click on sign up now. Get paid to answer surveys anyway. Join for free. Go ahead and accept all of this stuff like that, and just wait for it to come up. Gift card is just in a few clicks away. Okay, complete your first survey and earn $5 in 5 minutes. So another app I want to talk about is Porn app. Okay, this app is a legitimate money making app that is available everywhere. The app is truly global. Irrespective of your country, this app is everywhere, so it gives everyone a chance to earn some extra cash no matter where they are. Unlike many online service apps, you click on this first option, and when you click on it, you can see extra income made easy. Okay, you can either choose to sign up, you can either choose to go to the Play Store and download this particular app. Is branded survey. Branded surveys. Okay, without wasting time, let me head over to my search button and type, sorry guys, branded surveys. So this branded survey is a well-known among survey takers. Now this survey pays you between 5 and 250 points, where 1 point equals to $0.01. You can see 100 points welcome bonus. Okay, so just go ahead, input your email, you just click on sign up. Since you've not logged in before, you'll be asked. Okay guys, here come the end of this particular tutorial. Okay, please do well to like, share, leave your comment in the comment section, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing tips like this. Okay, let me know if you try all these apps and what can you say about them.